Hi guys, let's learn how to make baby formula milk. Always use boiled water and clean bottles for baby formula. So let's begin. Take some boiled water which is warm enough for the baby to drink. Here I am using 180 ml of water which is going to give me 200 ml of formula. For a 180 ml I will use 6 scoops of formula. The calculation is easy. Use 1 scoop for each 30 ml of water. Even it out on the sides of the container. Now shake the formula really well, and after shaking let it set for a while for the bubbles to disappear. Hi guys, thanks for watching.